In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headline. WHO distributes 223 metric tons of medical supplies across Afghanistan. 27 new archaeological sites identified in Logar province. And Khamenei issues warning over Iran protests. Welcome to today's news package. It's Saturday, the 20th of Rajab al-Murajab 1447, the 20th of Jadi 1404, and the 10th of January 2026. The news details. World Health Organization Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus announced that since October 2025, WHO has distributed 223 metric tons of essential medicines and medical supplies to 193 health centers in 25 provinces of Afghanistan. He stated that the supply will support healthcare services for more than 200,000 people. The Minister of Information and Culture expresses 27 new archaeological and historical sites have been identified and registered in the district of Charkh, Barakibark, Kharwar, Azra, and the provincial capital of Logar province. The sites were surveyed by a professional team from the Ministry's Archaeology Department during a recent visit to the province. The news continuation. The Minister of Justice announced that 1,391 acres of land in Gurumbi and Metachini, the areas of whose city, have been confirmed as state-owned. The ruling was made by a Central Zone Special Court for cases of usurped state land after reviewing official documents. And ultimately, in Iran, Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei warned on Wednesday that the authorities would not show leniency toward what he described as saboteurs and foreign agents amid ongoing protests. He alleged demonstrators were acting in accordance with the wishes of the US President Donald Trump. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi accused the United States and Israel of being involved in unrest and attempting to escalate the peaceful protest into violence. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.